Dear students, hope you are great. Today we are going to revise Chapter 8, Matter, Lesson 2, How is Matter Measured? First question is how long something is. If I want to measure long, how long something is, it's called length, not mass or density or weight. It's length. Length is how long something is. Is the amount of matter in an object. Amount of matter in an object. Amount or quantity of matter in an object. This means mass. Mass. The mass of mobile, for example. This means amount of matter that present inside the mobile. In the mobile. You can use to measure mass of an object. If I want to measure the mass of an object, of any object, or weight of any object, I use pan balance. Pan balance. In the metric system, we have two systems, metric system and US system. In the metric system, mass can be measured in kilometer. Kilograms. Mass used can be measured in kilograms. If I want to measure weight, for example, 1 kilogram of banana, 2 kilograms of banana, 2 kilograms of apple. That's it. If the mass of matter in a certain volume, matter in a certain volume, this means density. So density, mass of this matter in a certain volume. Volume, the amount. So what meant by volume? Volume is the amount of space matter takes up. Amount of space. So volume, amount of space. Density, mass of matter in a certain volume. Mass of matter in a certain volume. Length, how long something is. We use a ruler to measure the length. Mass, we use a band balance. Amount of matter in a certain in an object. Amount of matter in an object. This is called mass. While density, amount of matter in a certain volume. While mass, amount of matter in an object. So how to measure the volume? Calculate the volume. We calculate the volume by multiply length times the width times the height. We have green box. The length of this green box 9, while width 6, while height 2 centimeters. So if I want to calculate the volume, I multiply length by width by height. So 9 times 6 times 2 equal 108. That's it. We use what to measure temperature? We use a thermometer. So we use a thermometer to measure a temperature. While to measure mass or weight of something is we use pan balance. Length, if I want to measure the length, we use a ruler. While to measure the volume, if I want to measure the volume of Pepsi or any liquid, use measuring cup or graduate cylinder that is present inside in the lab. Measuring cup, like this. This is called measuring cup. Wait. Sorry. This one is graduate cylinder. So we use measuring cup or graduate cylinder to measure the volume. We have two systems to measure temperature, length, volume. mass have two system units. Metric system with US system unit. Metric system that used in Egypt, while US system units used in USA, America. So temperature, the unit of temperature in Egypt, degree Celsius. Degree Celsius. While in US, temperature, Kelvin. So the unit of temperature in USA, Kelvin, while here in Egypt, degree Celsius. Length. Length, we use a ruler to measure the length. So the unit of length is meters and centimeters, while in US, feet and inch. So in USA, feet or inch, while here in Egypt, meters or centimeters. Volume, if I want to measure the volume in Egypt or using a metric system unit, liters and milliliters, while in USA, cups or fluid ounce. Mass, if I want to measure weight or mass of something, the unit in metric system, kilograms and grams, while in USA, the unit of mass, pounds and ounce. What are state of matter? Lesson 3. What are state of matter? Tell each whether each is a solid, liquid or gas. Milk liquid, oxygen gas, pencil solid, shampoo liquid, ice cup solid, helium gas, cookies solid, fish solid, syrup liquid, maple syrup, salt solid, paint liquid, sand solid. Any matter or any object, whatever solid, liquid or gas, made up of tiny particles. So made up of tiny particles, very small particles called tiny particles. We have 3 states of matter: solid, so the states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Which state has definite volume but not definite shape? Definite volume but not definite shape. It takes the shape of its container. Liquid. So liquid have a definite volume but not shape, as it takes the shape of the container. While gas do not have definite volume or shape. So gas do not have definite volume or shape, while the liquids have a definite volume but not definite shape. It takes the shape of container. While solid have a definite shape and volume, and shape. Look at these particles. First one is gas, and the particles of gas are far apart. Look, particles are far apart. While second one is solid, the particles of solids are very close together. While liquid, the particles are close together but slide over each other. So first one gas, solid and liquid. Third one solid. Particles are close together and locked in place, like mobile. Mobile is a solid. So mobile, a particle of that made up mobile, are very close together and locked in space, like this. Particles like this, very close together and locked in place. So liquid particles are close together and can slide over each other, are close together but can slide, not locked in place, slide over each other, can move. Gas particles are far apart and move very fast and freely. That's it. Thanks for watching.